They call it failure. But what if it was just feedback written in bold? What if failing was your teacher and not your tombstone? You gave everything you had, time, energy, faith, and still it broke apart. You replayed every detail, trying to find the moment it slipped. You labeled yourself not good enough before anyone else could. But listen, there is nothing wrong with losing. The problem is stopping there. Failure hurts because it exposes our illusions of control. It strips pride, tests faith, humbles the ego, but humility is holy ground. Every legend once crawled across it. The first idea failed. The first business folded. The first love ended. Yet every end carved space for a new beginning. You didn't fail. You learned loudly. Loud enough for wisdom to echo. Loud enough for pride to finally listen. Every mistake whispered, next time, prepare deeper. Next time, protect your peace. Next time, know your worth before they price you. You learn boundaries disguised as heartbreak. Patience disguised as delay. Discipline disguised as disappointment. Pick the lesson, not the label. Rebuild slower, wiser, quieter. Because real growth doesn't need witnesses, just willingness. Every brick you lay now carries the strength of everything that broke you. You are not starting from scratch. You are starting from experience. History is written by those who refuse to edit out their mistakes. One day soon, the same mouth that mocked your fall will quote your rise. They will call you lucky, not knowing you built luck from lessons. Failure wasn't the end. It was the fire. And the fire doesn't destroy gold. It reveals it. So dust off your dream. Say thank you to the crash, because what tried to bury you became the soil that grew you. This is Black motivation for the ones who learn loudly and rise quietly.